Hello, this is a video for homework 2 in Algebra 1, and the worksheet starts out with sum it up, writing linear equations, standard form. Standard form is the x's and y's on the left. ax plus by equals c. So those are that's how you set up standard form. The x term with a number is on the left with the y term and a number, and the c term is over here, so you have to move those terms around. Now I will take a look at this one and then you can try the other two. So it is y minus 20 equals negative 3 times x plus 15. You have to distribute the 3 to remove the parentheses, so you get y minus 20 on the left equals negative 3x minus 45 on the right. Then the negative 3x is going to have to go to the left, and the negative 20 is going to have to go to the right. So you're going to add the 3x here, and you're going to add the 20 here. Now there's no x term on the left, so the 3x just gets written like the first term, and you add the 20 to the negative 45. So your final answer for this problem is going to be 3x plus 1y equals negative 25. And that's really all you have to do. This is more of an in-class activity, but it's practice that, okay? So this is again in standard form, all right? But you have to remove this fraction, right? So what you're going to do first is you're going to multiply this equation by 2 and this equation by 3 to remove that, and then this equation by 4. So then this 2 cancels out here, but you've got to multiply it by the y in the negative 6. This 3 cancels this out, but you've got to multiply the 3 by these two numbers, and this cancels that out, but you've got to do there. So this is now 2y minus 12 equals x minus 16. This is now 3y minus 36 equals x minus 9. And this is now y plus, whoop, you gotta multiply by 4, 4y plus 20 equals x minus 12. And in all of these, you need to move the number over here and the 1x over here. 1x here, the number here. Okay, and then the number here, and then the 1x here. All right, so the answer for the first one is x plus 2y equals negative 4. This one is x plus 3y equals 27. And this is x plus 4y equals negative 32. All right, that's number 2. Number 3, which equation is not equivalent to the other two? So I think the best way to do this is to solve for y. Okay, so then this equation is pretty easy. So y equals negative 2x plus 5. Now that's not equal to that one, so now we just need to figure out what this is equal to. To solve for y, we're going to distribute. We have y minus 9 equals negative 2x minus 4. If we add the 9 to the 4, we get y equals negative 2x plus 5. So this one is not like the other two. Okay, so I would solve for y here for this one. You're going to add 1x. So 2y is equal to 1x plus 8. Divide by 2. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4. All right. Then you're going to solve for y here, and you're going to get y equals 1/2 x plus 4, and I believe that it's going to be this one again. Now this you can skip because we didn't really study that too much. Okay, so 4 you can skip. Now number 5, it says find the y-intercept of the new equation. So you have to basically you have to get this into slope-intercept form by using a point and the slope, because they are parallel. So for this problem, you will need to write your slope or point slope form. So y minus 7 is equal to 3 times x minus 1. Solving for y now, you get y minus 7 equals 3x minus 3. You add the 7. Okay, and you get y equals 3x plus 4. So the y-intercept, this is 4. All right, so these two problems, just like these two, are the same way. Okay? All right. So which equation is in slope-intercept? Which equation in slope-intercept? Write each equation in slope-intercept form. Blah, can't talk today. So, all right, let's do it. We're going to subtract 6x. 3y equals negative 6x plus 18. Divide by 3. Those are the two steps. Y equals negative 2x plus 6. So you're going to move the x term and then divide. Move the x term and then divide. All right, last problem is word problems. So we look for the equation. Here's the equation. Y equals 0.10x plus 85. Now, what does it represent? All right, so X is her sales. So Y is her amount of makes, the amount Linda makes. Okay? How much will Linda make if she sells $650 of art? So we're going to take that $650 and substitute it right there. So Y equals 0.10 times 650 plus 85. So it's 65 plus 85. Okay? Which is 150. So look for what the two variables represent. The L and the D in this case, the X and the Y in this case. Okay? All right. So, and you don't have to worry about this. So this is sort of like the video answer key for homework 2 in Algebra 1. Okay? Have a good day.